going on, you guys? It's your man Rob Z33 back again, this time to let you know how a welded differential affects your day-to-day driving, whether it's something I recommend, whether it's something I'm against, how it'll wear on your tires over time, all the good things that you want to know right here. Let's get into it.
When the troop goes around the corner, the riders on the outside of the turn have to adjust their speed to keep even with the riders on the inside. The man on the outside has to ride a lot farther and a lot faster in order to keep up with the parade. The outside wheels must spin faster than the wheels on the inside because they have a greater distance to travel in the same length of time.